Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within co-op of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Feel free to ask question or give suggestion in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.